Hello, Hongzong. Good evening. Hello, Magic and Hongzong.
Hello, teacher.
Wow, Magic looks so happy with a very big smile on her face. Why are you happy, Magic?
Because today um, I'm play with my friends.
Wow. So
It
did you?
makes me happy.
Well, that's great. Well, I'm happy for you too because you're happy playing with your friend. How many friends do you have, Magic?
I have I four
Four
teacher.
friends. Oh, wait a minute, Hongzong. Where did you play with
Hello,
your
teacher.
friend?
Yes,
Did you play in the house, Magic?
three friends.
Nice. All right. So, hello, Hongzong.
Hello,
Can you hear me?
teacher.
Yes. Okay. How are you today, Hongzong?
I am happy.
Wow, that's great because you are happy. Do you also play with your friends? Do you also play with your friends, Hongzong?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Boy.
Nice. Okay, so how many friends do you have, Hongzong?
Three friends. Three. Three.
Great, because you have friends. All right. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to continue learning about. Okay, so have you eaten dinner yet, Magic and Hongzong? Huh? Oh, have you eaten dinner yet, Magic and Hongzong?
Yes. Yes.
Wow. So what did you have for dinner? What did you have for dinner, Magic?
Rice. Rice. A pizza. Soup. A egg.
Oh, that's perfect. You have rice and soup.
I have rice. I like rice, juice, soup, and fruit. I like fruit.
Rice, soup, and is it fish, Magic?
And beef.
Beef, very good.
I like
Okay, how about you, Hongzong? Listen, Hongzong, what did you have for dinner?
I like soup.
Wow, you
I
had soup.
like ramen.
Ramen. That's
Teacher,
nice.
teacher, do
Yes,
you like
Hongzong.
ramen? Do you like ramen?
No, because it's spicy. I don't like spicy food. All right. So anyway, look at this one, Hongzong and Magic. Let's look at the picture, listen, point, and say. Here it is, Magic and Hongzong.
Yes.
Page 38, Lesson 4, Food. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Pizza,
2,
Pizza,
rice,
rice,
3,
cake,
cake, cake,
4,
bread,
bread.
Very good. Okay, now look and say together, Magic and Hongzong.
Pizza, pizza.
Very good.
Rice.
Nice.
Cake. Cake.
Great job.
Bread. Bread.
Wow, that's perfect. Okay, now look. Do you like pizza, Hongzong?
Yes. Yeah, I like pizza. I like
Nice.
pizza.
Well, very good. Magic, what flavor of pizza do you like?
I like
Do you like
cheese.
pepperoni and cheese pizza?
Cheese. Cheese. I like cheese.
Bạn có
Teacher.
thích pizza pepperoni và phô mai không?
Do you like pepperoni? Like some meat on it?
No, I like cheese.
Oh, cheese. How about you, Hongzong? Do you like pizza?
I like pizza.
Wow. Do you like pineapple on the
Teacher.
pizza?
Teacher.
Listen, Hongzong. Do you like
Teacher.
pineapple on a pizza?
I
Bạn
like
có thích
pizza.
sứa trên bánh pizza không?
I don't like.
Very good. All right. Now, look at this one. Is pizza good or bad for your health? What do you think, Magic? Is
Teacher.
pizza good for our health or no?
Teacher, do you like bread and pretty? It don't have people. Me. Free.
Say that again,
Do
Magic.
you like bread and cream? It don't like bread good. It's don't healthy for me.
Yes. All right. I want you to say, Magic. It's not healthy for me.
Healthy for me.
All right. How about you, Hongzong? Listen, Hongzong. Is pizza good or bad for your health? Is pizza good or bad for your health? Yes, Hongzong?
No.
Pizza có tốt hay có hại cho sức khỏe của bạn?
Yes or no? Is it good or bad?
No.
Yes, it's bad. All right. It is actually okay to eat pizza because it's so yummy, but not too much. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Now look at this one. What is this?
This is a slime.
Yes. I want you to say it's a bowl of rice.
Rice.
One more. It's a bowl of rice.
Of rice.
Very good. I want you to color. I want you to look at the rice. What color is it?
This is a white.
Very good. Do you like eating rice, Magic and Hongzo?
I like rice.
Yes, me too. What about you, Magic?
I like rice.
Nice. Did you have rice for dinner?
Yes, I have.
Very good. How about you, Hongzong? Did you have rice for dinner?
Bạn đã ăn cơm vào bữa tối chưa?
How about you, Hongzong?
Yes.
Yes, that's great. Okay. Now, look at this. Wow, it's a happy birthday. What can you see?
I see a cake.
That's right. I want you to look at the cake, Hongzong. What can you see on top of the cake? What can you see on top of the cake?
I see balloons.
Very good. Okay, now, Hongzong, look. These are balloons. How many balloons are there, Hongzong?
There's 5 balloons.
Yes, say there are 5 balloons.
5 balloons. Vâng.
Say there are 5 balloons.
There are 5 balloons.
Very
There are
good.
5 balloons.
Nice one, Magic. Do you like some cake, Magic and Hongzong?
Yes, I like it.
Nah. How about you, Hongzong? Do you like to eat some cake?
I don't like cake
Why?
because then cream cheese,
No
cream.
cream cheese or no cream. That's all right. Okay, now look at this cake. When
It's
can
big
we
and white.
have a cake?
It's white. When we have cake. We have cake.
Yes, when can we have a cake? Is it
Oh,
when we have a birthday
my
on
birthday.
Christmas? Yes, we have a
birthday.
cake on our birthday. All right. What flavor of cake do you want to have for your birthday, Magic? Do you want chocolate, strawberry, vanilla?
I like chocolate.
Chocolate,
like
nice.
chocolate and vanilla.
Wow, very good, Hongzong. Okay, now I want you to look at the cake, Hongzong. What color is it? Look, Hongzong. What color is the cake?
Is white and rainbow.
Yes,
And red, blue, pink, yellow, green,
very good.
and
Okay,
blue, and red, and
nice. All right, now, how does the cake taste?
Bánh có vị như thế nào?
sweet and yum.
Yes, I want you to say it's sweet and yummy.
It's lemon. It's lemon. It's yummy. Crispy. It's lemon.
Yes, it's sweet and yummy. All right, now look at
Lemon.
this one. What can you see?
I see bread.
That's right. Do you like to eat bread, Magic and Hongzong?
Yes.
Do you like? Wow, very good.
Yes,
Okay,
I do.
nice. So look at this one. We have 1 slice of bread, 2 slices, and 3 slices. How many slices of bread can you eat, Magic?
It have 3.
Oh, you can eat 3 slices. You're such a big eater. Okay. How about you, Hongzong? Do you like to eat some bread?
I like bread.
Wow, nice. Okay. Now I want you to look, listen, and practice. Here it is, Magic and Hongzong.
Page
Yeah.
38. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's this?
This is pizza. I like pizza.
This is pizza. I like pizza.
What's? What is?
What is?
1,
Very good.
What's this? This is pizza. I like pizza.
2,
What's this? This is rice. I like rice.
3,
What's this? This is cake. I like
This
cake.
is cake.
4,
What's this? This is bread. I like bread.
This is bread. I like bread.
Nice. All right. So look at this one. Hongzong, what's this?
It's pizza. It's pizza.
Very good. Okay. Do you like pizza, Magic?
Yes, I like pizza.
Amazing. What about this one, Magic? What's this?
This is rice.
That's right. Where do we put the rice? Do we put it in a bowl, in a plate, or in a cup? Very good. Okay. Now look at this one, Hongzong. What's this?
This is a cake.
Okay, you say this is cake.
This is cake.
Very good. Now look at this one. Listen, Magic and Hongzong. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so each one of it is what we call layer. Can you say layer?
Layer.
Great.
Layer.
So this is, look, 1 layer of cake.
Layer of cake.
All right. Now look, Magic and Hongzong. How many layers of cake can you see?
I see 5 layers of cake.
Nice. Okay. Now look,
Biết đâu.
how many layers of cake do you want for your birthday, Magic?
I want 1 layer.
Just 1. Very good. Okay. Now look at this beautiful cake.
3.
Oh, 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. Or you can also have 3 separate layers, just like this one. 1, 2, 3. Now look at this cake, Magic and Hongzong. What can you see on top of it?
I see fruit.
That's right. Okay, look, Hongzong, these are fruits. What fruits can you see, Hongzong?
Of strawberry.
Very good.
Strawberry. A
That's
banana.
right. Is there a banana? All right.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so yes, we can see some strawberries here. Very good. Okay, now look at this one. What's this, Hongzong?
This is cream.
One more. This is bread.
Bread. Bread. Bread.
Nice. Do you like bread, Hongzong?
I like bread.
Amazing. What about you, Magic? Do you like bread?
Yes. I like bread.
Nice. Okay, now look at this one. Oh, give me a second. All right, so do you like bread with fillings in it? Just like chocolate bread, cinnamon bread, cheese bread, or just plain bread? What bread do you like, Magic and Hongzong?
I like chocolate bread.
Wow, what about
Chocolate
you, Magic?
I like chocolate bread. I don't.
No.
No, I like strawberry.
Strawberry bread. Oh, that's great. We can actually buy some strawberry jam, slice of bread, then put it on the bread. That way you can have a strawberry bread. Okay. Now look at this one. Are you ready to play a game, Magic and Hongzo?
Yes.
Okay. So this time, let's go back to our rule. Magic and Hongzong, listen carefully. Answer. Wow, Magic is ready. Answer in a complete sentence. Then wait for your name to be called. Again, we're going to play a game. You listen to teacher, answer in a complete sentence, and wait for your name to be called. Okay?
Yes.
Chúng ta sẽ chơi một trò chơi. Bạn hãy lắng nghe giáo viên trả lời bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh và chờ đến khi tên mình được gọi nhé.
All right, Hongzong?
Yes.
All
Yeah.
right. Okay, so let me put M here. That's for Magic. Then we have H. That's for Hongzong. Now, ready or not? Look,
Yes.
what's
I'm
this?
ready.
Oh, by the way, raise your hand. I forgot. Raise your hand if you want to answer. So this is just a warm up. Ready or not? Here I come. Look, what's this?
I'm ready.
What's this? Yes, Magic.
Is pizza.
This is pizza. Very good. Okay. Now, Hongzong, do you like pizza?
I like pizza.
Very good. Yes, I like pizza. Okay, so that's only a warm up. Now, this time, you will get a star. All right. So look at this one. Ding ting ting. What's this? Wow, Magic.
Oh, the rice.
Nice. Do you like rice, Magic?
Yes, I like rice.
Very good. When do you eat rice?
I eat rice at night and for my lunch.
Very good. How about for breakfast? Do you also eat rice?
No.
Okay, what do you have for
I
breakfast?
I often eat noodles for my breakfast.
Very good. All right, so one heart for you. Okay, now
Teacher,
look at, yes. Do you want a star or a heart?
I want a star.
All
Star.
right. Yes, star for you. Here it is, Magic. Da-da-da-ding. All right. Now, look at this. Get ready, Hongzong. Hongzong, place your hand near your camera so that I can see like that. Do not do it here. I won't see it like that. Okay, Hongzong? Now, look at this. Da-da-da-ding, ding, ding. What's this? Yes, Hongzong.
Hey, this is okay.
Yes, this is cake. Now listen, Hongzong. How many layers of cake can you see?
Pancakes.
That's right. You say, I can see 5 layers of cake.
I can see 5-layer cake.
Layers of cake. All right, that's better. Look, you have 1 star. Okay, now look at the cake. which cake is the most beautiful?
I see. It
Wait a
is
minute. Raise your hand. Again, which cake is the most beautiful?
is
Yes. Oh, wait, Magic. Wait for your name to be called. If you answer without me calling your name, I'm gonna take away your star. Okay, so next time we'll apply that rule. Okay, look, which cake is the most beautiful here? Yes,
teacher
Magic. Wait a minute, Hunong Gongzong.
is pink.
Which one? Circle it. Circle. Wow. Why do you choose this cake, Magic?
Because it's pink. My favorite color is pink.
That's reasonable. Very good. Okay, now look at this one, Hongzong. Do you like cake?
I don't like cake. I know cake. I don't like cake.
Very good. Okay, warning, Magic. Look at this one. It's okay. You still have 2 stars. Just warning. Look, what is this? Oh, wait a minute. Hongzong, I cannot see your hand.
Hồng Tông, tôi không nhìn thấy tay anh.
Yes, you have to do it like that. Okay? All right. One more time. Look, what's this? Wow, Magic. What's this?
This is bread.
Very good. Okay. Hongzong, do you like bread?
I like bread.
Nice. Okay. Listen. What can we put?
What can we put?
Oh, wait a minute. What can we put on the bread?
What can we put on bread?
Wait. Can we put chocolate,
Yes,
cheese,
I like red chocolate.
or fruits? Okay. So look, Hongzong. Oh no, sorry. 1 star. We'll go to Magic.
Mm,
Yes. Okay.
no,
So here,
no,
don't
teacher.
answer if your name is not called.
Đừng trả lời nếu tên bạn không được gọi.
All right?
Đâu trả lời không cho tôi gọi này.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Magic. No, Magic, don't laugh. Okay, look. Listen. Where can we, oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, Magic. I want to count from 1 to 3 before you can raise your hand to be fair with Hongzong because I'm going to use a translation, okay? Now listen carefully.
Yeah.
Where can we buy the bread?
Chúng ta có thể mua bánh mì ở đâu?
We can buy a bread in.
All right, here it is, Magic. Go back to Hongzong. All right, now listen. Where can we buy the bread? Yes, Magic.
We can buy a bread in bakery.
Bakery, very good. So a bakery is a place where they sell bread and sometimes cakes. All right?
Yes.
Tiệm bánh là nơi họ bán bánh mì và đôi khi là cả bánh ngọt nữa.
Okay, now look at this one.
So,
Look, listen carefully. What food do you like?
I
Yes, Magic.
like pizza.
Very good. Okay, now what food do you like, Hongzong?
I like rice.
Nice. Okay, do you like pineapple pizza?
I like pizza.
Okay, so sorry, Magic. Here it is.
Oh
Okay.
man.
Listen, you have to raise your hand. Okay, listen. Do you like strawberry bread?
Yes.
Chưa giơ tay để chưa xong tiếp. Không giơ tay.
Raise your hand, Magic. Do you like strawberry bread?
Yes. I like.
Very good. Okay, wow, it's a tie. Okay, now Hongzong, listen. Tell me all the food that you don't like.
Hãy
I don't like.
hãy cho tôi biết tất cả những món ăn mà bạn không thích.
I don't
Hongzong,
like. I don't like lettuce. I don't like carrot. I don't like.
Thấy rồi.
I don't like pizza. I don't like. I don't like chocolate. I don't like cherry. I don't like. I don't like banana.
very
don't
good.
like-
Nice, Hongzong. All right. Now, what about you, Magic? Tell me your 5 favorite food.
I like pizza and cupcake and hamburger and pineapple
Bốn là một em nữa.
and banana.
Banana. Very good. Okay. Now, look at this one. I'm going to put healthy foods. That means good foods. All right. So, what are some good foods, Magic and Hongzong? Raise your hand. Yes, Magic.
Toán có cái
Is bananas and carrots and yogurt and milk and sao lại nhắc nhỉ? And pineapple and what's the other?
Custard apple.
Đó.
Em không có rõ mẹo nhá gì?
Rau.
All right.
Vegetables.
Mhm. Very good. So yes, Hongzong, listen. These are good foods. Banana, carrots, yogurt, milk, and pineapple. Then many more. Now, Hongzong, how about food that are not good. That means unhealthy.
Sao mày gọi là không thích được cái thích? I don't. Banana. Lettuce.
What are some of the
carrot,
unhealthy food?
Một số thực phẩm không lành mạnh là gì?
a cake, a cupcake, a noodle, a chocolate, a
Very
ice
good.
cream, a cookie, a juice.
Yes, some juice. Wow, very good. Okay,
Teacher,
so yes.
milk and chocolate, and milk chocolate, milk chocolate. Milk
Oh, that's
chocolate.
fine. Yes, great. Okay, so these are unhealthy food and healthy food. Okay, so which kind of food do you like to eat? Yes, Magic.
I like bananas. Hamburger. Teacher.
Oh,
And
do you?
pizza. 1 star and me.
Yes, 1 star for you. I'm sorry. Yes,
One
that's right,
star.
Hong Zong. Very good. That's right. Thank you for that, Hong Zong. Okay, so listen, Magic.
Teacher,
Which food?
no 1 star.
Oh, she has 1 star because she answered healthy foods. 1 star for you because you answered unhealthy foods. Look, that one, then this is for you. Okay? Now,
Yeah.
listen carefully. Which kind of food should we eat to be healthy?
We eat
Wait, Magic. I will count into 5. Hold on.
Chúng ta nên ăn loại thực phẩm nào để khỏe mạnh?
Hong
We
Zong,
have
raise. Not yet, Magic. Not yet. I will count into
Teacher.
5 for you to answer, to raise your hand.
Tôi sẽ đếm đến 5 để bạn trả lời và giơ tay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Teacher.
Yes, Magic. Which kind of food should we eat to have a healthy body?
I should eat bananas, carrots, yogurt, milk, pineapple, and
That's right.
soup.
Very good. Okay. Now, listen. What did we learn tonight?
Tonight,
Chúng ta đã học được gì tối nay?
today,
Yes, Hong
we
Zong?
learn, teacher, a bread, cupcake, a rice, a pizza,
Very good. And cake, rice, pizza, and
bread.
very good. All right, so we have a tie here. So you both got 6, 8 stars in total. I want you to close your eyes. I'm gonna give you something. Hold on. In the count of 3, I want you to open. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Open your eyes, Magic and Hong Zong. You've got a baby elephant for you both. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope that you learned something. See you next time, Magic and Hong Zong. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, teacher.